Ever found yourself pooling resources with a partner, dreaming of growing your investments together, but hitting a wall of individual accounts? It's a common frustration, especially when platforms like Raiz, known for their accessible micro-investing approach, seem geared towards solo journeys. So, let's dive straight into the question that's likely on your mind. Can you actually have a joint Raiz account? The short answer, as of my last update, is no. Raiz doesn't currently offer the option for joint accounts in the traditional sense. Each Raiz account is designed for a single individual, tied to their unique identity and financial details. This means that you and your partner, or anyone else for that matter, can't legally share ownership and management of a single Raiz investment portfolio. Now, before you click away in disappointment, let's explore why this might be the case and what potential workarounds or alternative approaches you could consider if your goal is to invest together. The structure of platforms like Raiz often involves a direct link to an individual's bank account for seamless deposits and withdrawals. Regulatory requirements around financial accounts and individual tax identification numbers also contribute to this single-user model. Managing the complexities of joint ownership, tax implications for multiple individuals within one account, and ensuring compliance with various financial regulations can be significant hurdles for any platform. However, the desire to invest jointly is understandable. Sharing financial goals and working towards them together can be incredibly empowering. So, what can you do if a joint Raiz account isn't an option? One common approach is for each individual to maintain their own Raiz account and then coordinate your investment strategies. You could decide on similar risk profiles and investment allocations, effectively mirroring each other's portfolios. While this doesn't pool your funds into a single entity, it allows you to grow your investments in parallel and track your combined progress. Another strategy involves one partner primarily using Raiz while the other contributes funds to that individual's linked bank account. This requires a high degree of trust and open communication. However, legally, the account remains under the ownership and control of the named individual. Beyond Raiz, it's worth considering other investment platforms that do offer joint accounts. Traditional brokerage accounts, for instance, often have options for joint ownership, allowing multiple individuals to have legal rights and access to the funds. Exploring these alternatives might be a better fit if joint ownership is a non-negotiable aspect of your investment strategy. Keep in mind that the financial landscape is constantly evolving. Features and offerings from platforms like Raiz can change over time. It's always a good idea to check the official Raiz website or their support documentation for the most up-to-date information regarding account types and features. They might introduce joint account options in the future based on user demand and regulatory developments. Ultimately, while a direct joint Raiz account isn't currently available, understanding the limitations and exploring alternative strategies can still help you and your partner work towards your shared financial aspirations. Whether it's coordinating individual accounts or exploring platforms with joint account features, the key is open communication and finding a solution that aligns with your financial goals and comfort levels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.